Today's question is to demonstrate autoboxing and unboxing, but this time we are going to enter a lowercase character and the program will print the next character which should be in uppercase and to form a character type object. So it is going to print the next character in uppercase to form a character type object. So these are the command lines, and we need some variables, and variables are very clearly declared: primitive separately and wrapper objects separately. So now we are going to enter a character, any character. System.out.print enter any character. So in ch1 we are going to enter a character, let us say A in lowercase. We are going to enter the character A in lowercase. Now we are going to check whether it is really entered in lowercase or not. For checking, we need a condition over here: if character dot is lowercase. So this is the function. So is lowercase. So have we entered in lowercase or not? That is, which is given in the variable ch1. And if it is a lowercase, if it is true, then it will enter the body of the if condition. Now we have already entered the character in lowercase. So as it is true, so we will enter the body of the if condition, and the question says it should print the next character, that is after A, B comes. After A, B comes. So this is the place, this is how we get B. So ch, we have got A plus 1, so A plus 1, so it will be B, and that will be converted into a character. It will be converted into a character, and it will be stored in the variable ch2. So ch2 will have B in lowercase. B in lowercase. So we are going to store the lowercase ch2b in character object, that is by autoboxing. So that is, we are storing a primitive into a wrapper object, so that is autoboxing, and C objb will have the character lowercase b. Now that lowercase b has to be converted to uppercase. Okay, and uppercase ch2 is having lowercase b, it has to be converted to uppercase, and that will be stored in the variable ch2. So ch2 now will have uppercase b. Please remember, this will have uppercase b. You can check in the rough column. You should be writing everything in the rough column while checking. So this is having uppercase b, so it will give you a message: system.out.print and next character in uppercase is ch2. So here it is going to print in uppercase, that is uppercase b. Now again we are trying to store the object which is in cobj, which is in lowercase b. Here it is having in lowercase b, and we are storing in ch3, and that is called unboxing. Why it is unboxing? Because we are trying to store a wrapper class object into a primitive object. So it is unboxing. So this is having the character lowercase b, still in lowercase b. And now when we say system.out.print a wrapper object in cobj, so it will print you lowercase b, lowercase. So please remember, we have got three outputs: 1, 2 and 3. So in the 3 object, the second one will print the lowercase, this will print the uppercase. So this you remember, so that you can check in the rough column while checking the program. On the side of the copy, check in the rough column how it is working. So now that cobj, which is having a lowercase b, it has to be converted into uppercase, which is a wrapper object, and which is in ch3. ch3 is having a lowercase b by unboxing. So we are going to autobox it now, and after autoboxing it should be converted to uppercase, and it will be stored in COBJ2. COBJ2 is a wrapper object, okay, and it will be auto boxing. Why auto boxing? Because it is from primitive to wrapper object, and in the meantime also it is getting converted to uppercase. And again COBJ2, which is having an uppercase B, being stored in CH4. Unboxing. Why it is unboxing? Because we are trying to store a character object into a primitive object. So if we are trying to store a wrapper object into a primitive object, it is unboxing, and it will print in uppercase CH4, that is uppercase B. I'll show you the demonstration all these. Now for example, your program has asked you to enter any character, and you have entered a character in uppercase. Let us say you have entered D in uppercase. So CH1 will have D in uppercase. D you have entered through the keyboard, and is going to check in the condition over here if character is lowercase, that is CH1, but D is in uppercase. It is not true, it is false. So it will go to else directly, and it will give you the message character entered in uppercase, because the question says we are supposed to enter everything in lowercase. So I'll show you the output now, and for that we have to go for compiling. So I'll give a click on compile. The class has been compiled, and it says no syntax error. You can see at the bottom of the screen. That means there is no error in the program. So enter any character, it says we have entered a lowercase a. See the output. Next character in uppercase is B. See, it is B is in uppercase. Next character, because after A, B comes. And wrapper object, that second line I told you, see that it should be in lowercase. So see, B is coming in lowercase, because it's still in lowercase, it has not been converted. And after unboxing, auto boxing, character in uppercase again is in B. This is to demonstrate you the demonstration of uppercase to lowercase, lowercase to uppercase, and whether it is and auto boxing and unboxing.